guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and tell your friends to tell their friends ukuthi uzuko is honestly trying. Yeah, I'm also gonna shoot a story time after this because it's 11 o'clock and I'm only going to the mall at around 3 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let's talk on the comment section. Even if you don't comment, just like the video so that it is recommended to a lot of people, and then the YouTube video and then my YouTube channel can just grow. So without rambling too much, let's get into the
The
video.
first thing that I'm gonna go with is a toner, just to make sure that my skin is perfectly clean. And also, guys, what I'm gonna tell you is that stop this thing of yours of texting people who don't text you. Like, stop texting people who don't text you. And if you feel like or too much for someone, let it go, babe. Let it go because the streets are cold. You know the streets are very cold. So guys, what I did, I just went through with my toner in a cotton pad, but I think it's too wet. I shouldn't have done that. It's too wet and go bora. But yeah, that is the first step of my skincare routine. And I don't know, Uguti, what is it that make people think that doing your skincare routine as a guy like it's a wrong thing? And yes, let me just dry my face and then we're gonna do a second step. Yes. So guys, as I've already said, please don't be surprised if you see me looking down. I'm looking at the mirror because I need to see what I'm doing. So I am done with toning my face. So now I'm gonna go for this is a moisture booster. Um, I'm a person who has a combination of a oily and dry skin, so I have normal skin. So if the weather is like this because it's very cloudy, probably you guys can tell even from my video, it's not too like the lighting is bad. So I use this moisture booster just to make sure Gucci at least my skin is hydrated and doesn't look patched or pale. So I'm just gonna go apply this. This is Eucerin. This is Eucerin. You can literally find it anywhere. And what I like about it is the fact that it's a pamper. Like I don't have to sweat it out. So I normally put a drop here, a drop here, a drop here on my nose, on my cheeks, and on my neck. And another trick, guys, is that whatever that you do on your face, please make sure that you also do it on your neck because interesting iPhone is a person who has a darker neck and like your neck is dark but your face is lighter. Iyahlekisa. Like you are giving us something to talk about. So please don't do that for my sake. Um, Try to apply whatever method that you do on your face. Make sure that you do the same thing on your neck. So yeah, guys, literally it's 2024 and there's honestly nothing special about it. Like I just wanted to do this, get ready with me, but I am not going anywhere. Like I'm not going anywhere. Oh no, I'm just gonna go to the mall to run errands and I have an idea of what I wanna wear. Like I have an idea of what I want to wear, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work out. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And also I'm also gonna be styling those Markham shoes um that I showed you guys on my previous vlog. If you do check all my vlogs, I wanna show you those shoes, how I style them and how they look on me because they are banging and the look that I'm going for I showed you guys on my previous vlog, but I'm still gonna show you guys again now. And the third step that I'm gonna go to, you know what? One thing about my skincare routine, it's not hectic. It's not hectic. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a five-step skincare routine, and then I'm gonna go with my Eucerin day cream. It's hyaluron filler, which is 3 times effect. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna go through with my Eucerin. I know Eucerin products are very expensive, but one thing that you need to do for yourself as a person is to invest in yourself. Like invest in yourself. So what I normally do with this, I don't know, guys. Like I like putting things on my face like this, just to make sure that I cover all areas. And as I already told you, please make sure that you also do your neck. Whatever that you do on your face, make sure that you do it on your neck. And yeah, also, one thing about skin, uh, my skin is my what is this? My skincare routine is not hectic, and reason being, I believe that I don't have any skin problems. Even what I'm doing now is just me being a dramatic. Like, am I the drama? Because right now I'm being dramatic. I don't have any problems with my skin, but it doesn't mean that I shouldn't take care of my skin. Um, before I could afford, or before I could even develop a skincare routine, you know what I used to do? I would use a green sunlight bar soap to do my skin, and then after a green sunlight bar soap, I would apply that green canva, um, the mint one, the green one, the Ingrams canva, the green one. I would also use that, but I've never had a problem with my skin. And I would hear people saying, for you to have a beautiful skin, or you need to drink water, you need to start exercising. Okay, that's good, that's fair. It works for you if it works for you. But for me, I believe that um skin is hereditary. Like if your family members have bad skin, then you are going to have bad skin irrespective of what you do. So it's genes. It's genes. There's no formula. There's no formula, literally. So can you guys see how moisturized my face is? Wow. So now the last step that I'm gonna go to, this is very important. If there's anything that you need to take away from this video, sunscreen. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. That's just the entire thing. So I am using the VK Laboratories sunscreen. It's an SPF 50 plus. This sunscreen, babe, wow, wow. And also, I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna put it in dots on my face, just like that. Just make sure that you put enough sunscreen. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy in sunscreen, because why did you buy it? If you're going to be stingy about it, ubusayithengela ntoni? Ubusayithengela ntoni? And also, even if it's hot or not hot, please apply your sunscreen, because you are protecting your skin from everything. If you guys checked my previous story times and my previous sit downs, I've had a lot of questions where people were just like, Zuko, what do you use on your skin? Oh my God, you have a very beautiful skin. And I was just like, hold that thought. I'm gonna plug you, Obanditini, ndenza kanjani, because honestly, guys, I started this YouTube channel just to give you guys something to talk about. Oh my God, I think I applied a lot of that. So I'm just gonna cut a video a bit, and then I'm gonna come back now. So guys, I am done applying my sunscreen, and